Hey, Bermcannon here. It's the video you guys have been waiting a long time for. Well, about maybe 6 to 8 months. But it's taken that long to finally figure out whether this Mikuni TM40 Carb is all the hype on the internet for your XR650R. Hey guys, Ellie Sleeve is a big supporter of what I do here on the channel, and for you guys they are giving 30% off on gasket kits, complete gasket kits, and piston kits on their website using the discount code Baja Diaries 2020. So go there, check it out. If you're trying to freshen up all your dirt bikes or all your toys in your garage, support them because they support this channel. Months back, in the last couple years, I've been getting suggestions that the Mikuni TM40 Carb is the thing to do to your 650. It gives it more attack. You could do wheelies for days. It'll blah blah blah. It won't, which is the biggest problem of the stock carb. It won't flame out where you got to do the hold the throttle open, pump through it, and then ignite it. You guys have told me that this carb eliminates that. So what I did is I first hired a professional, Precision Concepts, and they spent hours trying to dial this carb in. We got it very close, and then I chose to ride this past summer of 2019 off camera, riding around the hills. In fact, I did Baja Diaries 18 on those settings. I wasn't fully happy, but I had a couple other guys in mind that specialize in jetting carbs, and I took the carb to them. It was running okay. It did give more attack from the bottom to the mid, and then even more over rev on top. But there was some things that I wasn't happy with. So I then went to another buddy of mine who has years of jetting experience, and the first thing he told me when I handed him the carb and he looked at it was, "Mark, this carb is too big. This is a street bike carb and it's not made for the XR650. So I told him, no, this is what everybody's doing on the internet. I had suggested jetting specs from viewers like you. You guys sent me jetting specs. So we continued to work through this through the month of September and October. It just wasn't there. It wasn't up to my speed. There was some coughing, especially on highway use. The throttle response was kind of not good. I mean, the stock carb had better throttle response. I had a chance to interview Johnny Campbell, who won 11 Baja 1000 championships, most of them on this XR650R. And I asked him, I go, hey, you had Honda completely behind you. You had factory technicians. Did you guys ever mess with the TM40? And he said no. And I was like, well, you do know, like, there's people that use them. And he just kind of shook his head like, no. Honda knew what they were doing with the stock carb, and that was the perfect carb for that bike. And I go, well, what did you do with these issues, the flame out? And he says, if the carb is perfectly jetted, that bike should be on point. You shouldn't have any issues. And he even said he never had flame out issues in the corners, especially racing. So I left that interview and then went back to the shop and continued to try to dial in this TM40. One thing stepped in my mind was, hey, call Johnny Campbell and maybe he'll dial in your 650. And I'm like, maybe that's a good idea. So I called Johnny, and Johnny said, yeah, bring the Dominator down and we'll get that thing humming for you. So that's what happened. And at this point, that carb runs so good that this TM40 is now just a dream. Okay, so to save everybody time, this is my conclusion. If you have or want a Mikuni TM40 on your 650, I suggest you get it from somebody who has a properly running XR650 with this carb, okay, who lives in the same area as you. If you don't and you have a stock carb, and you want it to run better than the TM40, or you can buy something off my merchandise store, and then I will send you Johnny Campbell's official Dominator XR650R carburetor specs. Assuming that you don't live in some crazy elevation, his specs should work on your bike. But I will do a disclaimer that I'm not going to help you dial your carbon. I will give you the specs, what Johnny gave me, and you can have those, and then you can be a Baja 1000 winner riding around on your 650 in your own town. Many of you guys who use YouTube for your entertainment are not aware that your subscription to the channels and videos you like is very vital to one's channel's success. So give my channel a go, and if you don't like it after a couple videos, you always can unsubscribe.